Welcome, and today we're going to take a look at how to convert a PDF into a text using Google Docs. Now before we get into that, one word of warning about this particular process is this will only work if you have a PDF file that is under 2 megabytes. If your PDF file is over 2 megabytes, this will not work for you. So please keep that in mind. You may want, if you have the capabilities of saving a large PDF as several small ones, maybe you can do that, or you might have to try one of the other methods in which to do this. So in order to do this, you first want to go to your North Shore Community College Gmail account. And when you're here, you simply go up to Documents and select that. That will pop up a menu, or that will bring you into your Google Documents and your resources that you have therein. Now, one thing that you'll want to do is to find the folder in which you have a PDF that you want to convert into text. When you find that, you click on the PDF and drag and drop it into your Google Docs. Now when this happens, it's going to provide you with a specific prompt that you'll want to pay attention to. In this prompt, there are several boxes. The one that we're most concerned with is convert text from PDF and image files to Google Docs. You'll want to make sure for this process this button is checked. And then you select Start Upload. Over on the right here, you'll see this little upload menu. And the process, depending on the file format, should be pretty quick. Once it's uploaded, it will pop up into your file listing right here. And as you can see, it is right here for us to take a look at. You click on it, and it will again open up the file in Google Docs. So here we have the title, and we have now entered into Google Docs program. One of the first things you'll notice that's important to take note of is the first thing that Google does is take your PDF and turn it into an image. It's almost as if it took a picture of your PDF and it embeds that image into the document. Now, it does this in part so that you know what your PDF looked like, so that when you get to the text, the actual text that Google Docs inserts, you can compare. You can say, okay, here I have converting PDFs to Word files. Is that exactly how it looks up here? It's in order to instill accuracy, as well as for Google to make sure that it has properly converted the text accurately. And as we can see, Google has taken the material and done fairly well with keeping the format, the layout, and everything that was within that document. So after you have converted it into a Google Doc and you have made sure that everything has followed through safely, what you want to then make sure to do is to decide if you want to download it or if you want it in a file format other than Google. You go right up to the File menu and you go to Download. Now, if we look at download, we have several different options here. We have ODT, which is the file format for OpenOffice, PDF, which is the file format you just converted from, RTF, which is rich text format. It's a universal word processing format that can be used on any word processing program. Text, which is a basic text file. Word, as in Microsoft Word, and you can save it there and have it to use on your computers, use it within Word. And HTML, which if you wanted this as part of a site or just in ways of containing the information, you certainly could. So there you have how to convert a PDF into a Word document or other text file using Google Docs. Thank you very much.